are hilarious. You just have the funniest stories I ever did here. Yes, you do. Are you a funny guy? What are you laughing about? What is she aiming at you? What is that big distraction? Just tell me. Just talk at me. Don't pay attention to her. Don't pay attention to her. Are you laughing again? You gonna laugh again? I do. Are you videoing?
Just a little bit, yeah.
Okay, so this is June 20th. And I'm 3 months old. I'm just 3 months old.
And a funny guy.
And I'm such a funny guy. I've got hilarious sense of humor. I got lipstick all over me, too.
Maybe the end of my laughing spell.
And you just laughed and laughed and laughed away? I love you. I do. I think he's laughed out.
All finished.
I hope you got that.